First attempt at the new depth finder. Let's see, this one, there it is. Glue in hull. That's what we're looking for.
God, I love doing boat stuff.
Okay, we gotta test it first. So I need to wire it into the boat. These guys. There we go. Okay. Take a look. Take that guy off. Oh, it would help if we had the battery on. Now we'll give it a go again. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, it turns on.
Oh, I did bring the gloves. You want some?
Sure.
It's always become my mountain bike gloves,
here.
and then
Are
they
the
become
motocross ones more expensive or just better?
Okay.
Huh?
There we go. I should buy some shifts. My mountain bike gloves suck.
Yeah, those are obviously
18.9, 21.9.
Oh, sick! Look at that.
All right, sick. Now I got to figure out where
How
to
much was
seal
that?
it in. 150. And look, I can just shut it off. Just take all that, throw it up under there, no big deal. And this thing holds speed so nicely. Woo! I'll transducer here. Bunch of petroleum jelly in there. I'm gonna take that thing, put it in back here, give it a good twist. Oh, there it is. Look at that. 81, 81.5. I put it in the back and we're in great shape. Great. Perfect. My transducer's right in front of my propeller. I'm going directly at the marina. I'm going to give it some gas and we're going to watch the depth finder and see how she's doing. Depth finder's still holding strong. Still 60 feet. I'm going to give it a little more gas. 81 feet. Oh, yeah, this is... Oh, I lost signal. So, we're going to shut her down. Right after sitting here for a second, the depth finder's back on.
Tried to cool the...
It's still on there pretty good. I mean, it definitely feels like it's touching, it's like skidding on the floor. It's still there. I mean, maybe it just jiggled a little bit.
It just looks like it's...
Made an awful mess. Now I got all this petroleum jelly to clean up with no paper towels.
This video.
You fit in? No, I need pictures. There you go. Whoa. I am out of hot clips, so I am going to need to just back this guy up and then put a connector in it. Cut in the hot. Sick, Rick. I have a depth finder. I didn't mess up my dash panel. Going to Lake Powell. First attempt at the new depth finder. Let's see, this one. There it is. Let's see if it works. Oh, 3 dots. That's not good. 44 feet. There we go. We have a depth finder on Pleasant Reaction. Big news. First trip with the new depth gauge. It's amazing. This is probably the easiest, simplest upgrade on the boat I've done, and the peace of mind I have now that I can see the depth at all times on here. It's just great. It's not the best location being under the steering wheel like this, but I can see it fairly well at all times, and it didn't screw up the whole look of the dashboard. So really happy with it. HawkEye depth finder, the thing's sick. It's been accurate, it's been good all weekend, no glitches. I'm loving it. I've got a drip of epoxy from the transducer install, and I gotta figure out how to get it out of here. Got it.